guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. Today's video, as you can see by the background, is filmed in a completely different location of my house. I'm currently in my kitchen. I thought I'd film my kitchen because my bedroom is naturally quite a dark room and I have got lighting, but it's really nice and light in here, so I hope that the lighting is okay. The sun is out. I have been working on my laptop, so I thought I would film a video anyway to do today my February favourites. I know it is like, what's the date today? Yeah, we're into March, but I wanted to do monthly favourites, my little favourites video that I did before. I'll link it down below. It wasn't called my January favourites, but it is my January favourites. But let me know if you like the kind of background change. I don't always want my background to be the same, but if you follow my home Instagram page, I'll pop it down below in the description box. You would have seen my new kitchen and my new kitchen table. So I've got the vibes to film in the kitchen today, so we're just gonna roll with it. So I have got some things I want to share with you that are my favourites from this month. But some of the things, I don't want to just do like beauty favourites every month because I don't at the minute change a lot of things that I like at the moment to do with beauty. So I thought that I would just add in like really random ones as well. Obviously if I have more beauty favourites then I'll mention them, but I just kind of don't at the minute. So I'm just gonna I've got everything in a bag, so I'm just gonna dive into the bag. So first thing, which is makeup related, is this. Just move that way. This is the Makeup Revolution Viper mascara with bite, and this was recommended by Victoria J. It's £3. It is so good. It has really nice packaging on it, and I really like the one. It's like a snake's head, if you can see how it's kind of like shaped. I really like it. For £3, I don't think that you can go wrong. So yeah, if you're looking for a new mascara, it's not waterproof, but I've really been liking that one at the moment. I've got it on today, if you can see. Next thing is this, which is a nail varnish, and it is the nail varnish I am wearing now. I used to really love and be obsessed with Primark false nails, which I still do like, but I don't know why, but I just one day was like, oh, I want to take them off and do gel nails. If you didn't know, I'm qualified in shellac / gel nails, and I just really wanted to do it, so I have loads of colours and stuff, which is fun to have. So I started using shellac. My nails have grown loads, and they feel a lot stronger having gel on. I don't really like normal polish because my nails are quite sensitive. I have psoriasis and I have it on my nails, so my nail, the top part where it grows over your the end of your finger, that's not attached, mine goes down quite far. It's not attached, if that makes any sense. So when I don't have gel nails on or fake nails on, they feel really sensitive, but this colour is the colour I have been going to all the time and I love it. It's this QLZ, which I've only got, might have 2 of these. Oh no, I've got 3 colours of these. I've got this one, a darker blue, and a bright vibrant red. This is in the colour, it might be 19, I assume, but this is the colour, and I've got it on my nails as well, so you can see roughly what it looks like. I really like this colour. It's different to all the other ones I've got in my collection. For gel nails, I have loads of the Blue Sky ones, and I also have a load of the CND proper shellac ones, the professional ones, but I don't have any of those colours that are like this, and this is a baby pink, but it's on the purpley kind of side, which I really like. So I had to mention that in my favourites because I just love this colour on me, and as I'm really pale, some colours wash me out and stuff, but I think this really suits me. So yeah, loving that at the moment. I need to buy some new ones of those just because I'm loving things so much. Next thing makeup related are these, which I've spoken about loads before, I want to say, probably on Instagram or Twitter or something. And these are baby cotton wool pads. They're the best cotton wool pads to ever use. If you're not using baby ones, you're missing out. They are so good. They are absolutely huge. You could take off your whole makeup just using one of these. They're most of the time on offer. I always buy mine from Superdrug. These are Superdrug own ones. Obviously there's loads of different brands you can get out there. I started off with the tiny little round ones, then I went to like the more like bigger round ones, and then I went to like the square ones, and now I've upgraded again and gone to these big rectangular ones. I find them a lot softer than most cotton pads, because I don't know if that's because they're baby ones or not, but yeah, they're really, really good. So if you don't use these kind of cotton pads, then you are really missing out on taking off your makeup, or just anything really. I sometimes use them to clean brushes, or just spray a bit of brush cleaner and like work the brush into the cotton pad. It's just like a really, really good thing to have. I have loads of packets of these upstairs in my like makeup drawers. I have loads of them, like my whole drawer is full with packets of these. Oh, I've opened them the wrong way. Oh, you can open them at the bottom. There's like a little dotted line. Should I do that? Let's do it, why not? Oh, I didn't do it very well. That's quite cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you can basically open them like that. I haven't done it very well. You can open it like that, and then, oh, no, it's ripped in a really bad way. And then you've got your own dispenser. You can just take them out. That's actually quite clever. But yeah, if you don't have those in your life, then you are 150 billion% missing out. I'll do my best to link everything that I mentioned down below in the description box. Next thing that is semi like beauty related is this, which I actually bought. Sorry about the noise. I bought this the other day, and I've just put them back in the packaging to like show you. It's this set of Zoella mini fragrances. I really like Zoe, but I'm not like, if she brings something out I don't have to buy it. I've bought a few things of hers before, but I'm not like obsessed with her or anything like that. But I own 2 of these that are in here, and these were at Superdrug for $4.99. these were. I own the fuller sizes of this one, which is Blissful Mistful, and Zoella, this one, and I've never tried these 2 before, and I thought for $4.99 I'm going to get them because I really like Zoella, like it's one of my faves, and the bottles are so cute, like they're so sweet. So I really like all of them, but the one that I really, really like is her Jelly and Gelato one, which is this one, which I think is from her Jelly and Gelato range that I think was it last summer? I don't think it was the summer before. I think it was last summer. I really can't remember. I'm not like, you know, watching her all the time constantly, but I really like the scent of this. It's very like summery. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells like summer air is the best way I can describe it. I don't know if it says what's in it. Nope, it doesn't. But I really like all of them. They all have like, they're all very different, and they all have their own little like scent. And although there are like 2 Christmassy ones in this set, the Zoella one is definitely really different to Bake My Day. The Bake My Day one is very like gingerbready, but kind of like a cinnamony gingerbread. It's not like a sweet, sickly scent. And also, I mean, like the bottles are so cute, like in your handbag and stuff. Oh, I'm really glad that I got them. I think they're really, really good for $4.99. It's like £1.20 something each. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with those. I had loads in Superdrug, and they're also online if you were interested in that. I would 100% recommend them. They smell lovely. The next favourite is a really random one, but you may have noticed that I have been into organising, sorting out, cleaning. Like I've got to an age now where I like cleaning, and I went to a pound shop that's called Pound Store, not Poundworld, although they will have them here. Poundworld, Poundland, it was Pound Store, and I got this, which is oh god, I'm so old, an Oust. It's odour eliminating, and it's in the scent Clean Scent. I love this stuff. I can't get enough. Like I just want to spray it everywhere. Like I love it. It's not one of those like overpowering scents that can give you a headache or make you feel like queasy or anything like that. It's not like going to the back of your throat kind of smell. It's really, really nice. So I bought this for my car. I sprayed this all over my car. My car smelled beautiful. It's like, fresh is exactly how it smells. I love it. It's like my favourite thing to buy from a pound store now. Next thing I want to talk about is actually my new laptop. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I trod on the laptop that my boyfriend got me for my birthday last year. I haven't even had it a year and I trod on it. It was a complete accident. I barely trod on it, and I broke like a bit of the like internal part of the laptop, which was annoying because nothing was visibly broken, so I was thinking, why isn't it working? But yeah, I was gutted about that. So that's why videos kind of stopped a couple of weeks ago, but I have now got to my new laptop. I love it. I'm not very good with laptops and like technology, and like I know what I want, but I don't know what like the difference is between that sort of laptop and this kind of laptop, whatever. But I got this, which is an Acer Chromebook. This what it looks like. It does get a bit dirty, not gonna lie, like it's dirty down there. I got it in white because the laptop that Jay got me was red, which I really liked, but because I had an option to get a different colour, then I kind of just really wanted a white one. I'm not really that bothered, but I thought I could get like a marble case to go with it to match like my phone and stuff. So yeah, being all matchy. But yeah, I got a white one. I really like it. It's one of these that's like, I don't say it's like a tablet, but it kind of is like a, I don't know, it's one of these laptops that you can like open like this, and then you can flip like all the way round. So if you want, you can use it like, oh, here's my screensaver. You can use it like tablet. Let me do something. Oh, I've got it upside down. Oh, I'm not doing really well. You can use it like a tablet. If I just go on here, click new tab and do my Avon order. You can, you know, do whatever, type in like, I don't know why I'm typing in hello to Google Images. What is wrong with me today? Oh, Adele's come up. So you can use it like a tablet like that, or you can, if you're watching, like I have Netflix on here, so you can like stand it like that and stand it up and like watch it, or you can obviously have it as a laptop, or you can just like put it any kind of way really, and it works really well. I haven't really had that many issues with it. I found a really good video editor if anyone does YouTube. I use, what is it called, Power Director, to edit videos on, which is good. It's better than Windows Movie Maker, but it's all like apps on here as well, so I can download Facebook as the app, Instagram, Twitter, Netflix. I can get the app on here. Obviously you can still use the internet. It doesn't have loads of storage, but I'm not bothered about that. As soon as I do a video I delete it, and that's that. I can move on to my next video. It's really good. I really like it. I love how like light it is and how easy it is to like carry around and stuff. So I have to mention it because I'm kind of like loving a laptop, which I never thought I would say. And then the two last things I want to mention are actually TV programs, two that I have been loving. So the first one is Towie. I have literally over the last, I want to say 3 weeks, binged watched Towie from the very beginning, the very first episode, and I'm now on, well, I'll tell you, it's on my laptop. I think I'm now on like series 6. Oh no, I'm on season 7. I'm on season 7, episode 9 currently. They're only about like half an hour long, I think. Yeah, they're roughly about half an hour long, like the ones that are like Christmas and end of like the season thing, like the finale, are a little bit longer, but I just have them on like all the time. I have them on in the background. If I'm getting ready, I'll watch them, just have them on as I'm doing my hair or something. I have really enjoyed actually watching it. Like I used to watch Towie, and then I still watch Towie now, like I've always watched it, but I just kind of forgotten so many things that had happened on it. So yeah, that's my first like guilty pleasure. I'm actually not guilty. Oh yeah, I don't know. And the final, I don't know if it's the guilty pleasure, but the final TV show that I have enjoyed, and me and Jay have enjoyed, is Survival of the Fittest. I want to know if any of you watch this. It's like the spin-off version to Love Island. You basically have boys versus girls. They do different challenges, and whatever team wins, the other team has like a bottom 3, and then the girls or whoever wins gets to send one of the losing team away. Send them away, like they're going to jail, gets to send them home. So it was good for that, and obviously like relationships happen between the boys and the girls, and then like they don't want to send each other home, and it was for the first like episode and series, like it was like decent, I think, to watch. It was just kind of like that TV that you don't want to like admit that you like, but you actually did like it. I love Love Island. Jay loves Love Island. We watched it together last year, which was like the first year that we've been together, and I said to Jay, you're gonna love Love Island. And then he was like, oh, this winter Love Island is coming out, which is Survival of the Fittest. And I wouldn't say it's anything to do with Love Island. It's a similar concept. It's edited like similarly. There's like a funny voiceover guy, although I didn't think he was hilarious. Like the Love Island guy's hilarious. This guy wasn't hilarious. He made me laugh out loud maybe twice. But when he made me laugh, they were actually really funny. So yeah, it has obviously things to like improve on, but I think for like a first series, I think it was really, really good. So yeah, if you haven't seen that and you're into like reality TV kind of thing, then definitely give that a watch on, I think it's on the ITV player. It is like, it's decent to watch. I really liked it. If you liked this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Any video suggestions, always pop them down below in the comment section, and I will see you all very soon for another video.